Bye. Going to Costa Rica.
Oh no, our common authority's gone. Now things are gonna be crazy around here. I need to run and find a hiding spot. Gotta hide. Okay.
Why are you doing this? You have the key.
Go.
It's not the same anymore.
I heard that whoever wins the arm wrestle gets access to all the toilet paper supplies in the school. I need to win the arm wrestle and I need to train for it. Training. Wait, no, he's not. Wait, no, actually, he's not doing it. Oh, I'm so glorious. No. I have access to all the toilet paper and soap supplies, and I'm scared they're gonna come get me for it. Go.
What was that? I can't even use the bathroom in peace anymore. Living like this is so hard.
I can't even live anymore in this dangerous society. I miss the way things were when we had Mr. Demopoulos to enforce things, and like it was harmonious. Like look at them.
We need to devise a plan.
Look at them. They have a common power.
We need a common power.
We need Mr. Demopoulos back. We need to make a plan to be like them.
Or maybe we devise a strategy of our own to make our own common power.
Look at how harmonious they are.
Yeah.
Hello, friend. Did you hear that the common authority is coming back?
The common authority is coming back?
Yes.
Wait, that means we won't need to live this way anymore. If we tried making plans to establish a common power and that failed because us feeble-minded people can't control
The other
this
people.
society as our common power can do.
But now that we have common power to enforce authority and give punishments to people that don't follow the laws, well then, we're set. We'll be able to have our commodious living again.
We're not going to be in the state of nature anymore. Peace will be restored.
Yay!